Yeah, hi Calaminians, I'm here with Ishan, a tea expert from Ceylon, Sri Lanka. So, Ishan, tell us about the store.
Hi, it's wonderful to be here in Cebu with everyone, and Ceylon tea is one of the best teas in the world, and we are an exclusive Ceylon tea store. So our tea is some of the best quality, and we've got the best tea in the world, everyone says. So we have it here now. We have a different range. We have evolved the tea. We have tea mocktails, tea shakes, iced tea, hot teas, flavored tea, fruit tea. So we want to invite you to come down here and enjoy the tea at Robinson Cybergate.
Yeah. So Island Tea Company, serving the real tea.
Yes.
Wow, grabe, kahumot ang mga tea.
Oh my god.